Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the FIFA 16 lag on PC. So first you need to locate and open the FIFA 16 folder, and then you need to open up a FIFA setup folder in it, and then you need to open FIFA config.exe. Then you need to click on game settings, and then you need to change the resolution from full screen to windowed, and rendering quality from high to low, and then the frame rate from no limit on FPS or lock to 60 FPS. You need to change it to lock to 30 FPS, and then you need to click on OK, and you can exit out of it. And now if you try running the FIFA 16.exe, it should work without any lag, or it should reduce the lag a lot. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. I have a small YouTube channel with very less subscribers, so it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching my video.